In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transfer installed app from one computer to another in Windows Dual Boot. Let's get started. Open File Explorer, go to this PC, and here I have two operating systems. Windows 10 is running now, and I have another operating system, Windows 11. I want to move Google Chrome app from Windows 11 to Windows 10, which is running now. Open Windows 11 drive, then click on Program Files. Here you will find lot of installed apps. You can move all these installed apps from this Windows 11 to Windows 10 computer. Just select and right click, then click on copy. I'm just copying only one, Google Chrome. Right click on Google folder and then click on copy. Now go to current operating system Windows 10 and then go to program files, and here just simply paste the Chrome folder, right click on empty area and then click on paste. Copying finished. Go to Google folder, then go to Chrome folder. Now click on application. Here you will find the Chrome application and right click on the Chrome application and then go to send to and then click on desktop, create shortcuts. And the Chrome application desktop shortcut has been created. Now I am going to launch. Click on the Chrome desktop shortcut. The Chrome browser application is launched successfully, and you can sign in with your Google account and enjoy your Chrome browser application in new Windows 10. That's it. Thanks for watching.